Vasycopine, you go, girl.
Hey you guys, so I'm just coming on really quickly because today is wash day. So I've already washed and blow dried my hair. It's been actually quite a few hours, so we've got a bit of shrinkage going on already. It's time to braid her up because I'm literally about to make a wig, a new one. And I just wanted to take you guys along for that process, literally from start to finish with the braid down and everything. So I've never done anything like this before. I will just be doing this as I record myself, just with some music going over quietly. I'm not going to talk the whole time. I just want you guys to see my braid down process. This is what I do on myself. I don't do this for my clients because I actually like to switch out my wigs more often than I know a lot of people do. I have a sensitive scalp, I'm not gonna lie, like, so I can't have my wigs in too long, usually about a week, and then it's OV and I'm switching on to something else. So it's been a week now of just letting my hair breathe from the last install. And I am gonna go ahead and just get into this braid down. I'm gonna be watching a few of my most favorite channels, so don't mind me if you see me cracking up every once in a while here. um but yeah, I'm just catching up on some of my shows I haven't been able to watch. Guys, I've been so busy just like with business planning and getting everything together for Black Friday. If you guys aren't aware, I do have a shop, beauty shop on a budget, brought to you by Big Girl Certified, which is my other YouTube channel down below. Go ahead and check that out. And I mean, in the meantime, yeah, I'll be catching up on my little funnies here that I like to watch while I braid my hair. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Once again, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can see the rest of the follow-up with my wig that I'll be making. I'll show you the process of me making a wig. That process is the same, universal for me or if I'm selling the wig. And I mean, yeah, so I'll just take you along on this little mini hair journey that I do every freaking week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you later. Bye.
Life in motion, drive to the ocean. We move together, cocktails in motion. Yeah. High times, troops, explosion for the race. Lip sync sockets, we can cast away. I've got a secret place we can't go wrong. I'll take you away, fade without a trace. Electric eyes paralyzed in a moment. Life in motion, drive to the ocean.